What's up, everybody? In today's video, we're going to pick up where we left off from last time and install a Kali Linux virtual machine on our VirtualBox installation. So let's get to it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, this is the Alpha Cybersecurity channel, and I'm your host, DJax. Thanks for joining. In our last video, we talked about installing VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a virtualization software that allows us to install multiple operating systems or multiple computers that are virtual machines on our host. So to get our penetration testing lab set up, the first thing we need to do is get Kali Linux installed. Kali Linux is an open source penetration testing operating system or distribution that has been developed and maintained by Offensive Security. Over the years, it has gone through many different changes, but now we're up to version 2020.3. So we're going to get that installed and get you set up for our next video where we'll start talking about installing tools or getting it all set up. Before we get into the video, I want you to make sure you like this video, like the previous videos, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications. That way, whenever a new video gets posted, you'll be notified when it goes live. So with that being said, let's get to installing Kali Linux on our machine. All right, so we're back with our Brave browser, and what you want to do is you want to go to kali.org/downloads. So when you go here, you'll see the list of Kali Linux images. These are all the different images you can download. However, since we're using virtual software, we want to look at the virtualized software. So we have VMware for 64-bit, 32-bit, and then down here you see the VirtualBox for 64 and 32-bit. So what you want to do is you want to click download or the Offensive Security VM download page, and it'll bring you to these virtual images. And again, you'll see the images for Kali Linux VMware for 64 and 32. And then down here, you'll see the Kali Linux VirtualBox images. So you want to click the plus sign, let that drop down come down, and then you want to click the Kali Linux VirtualBox for 64-bit. So you click that image name, it'll ask you to save, and you click save. And then you wait for the download to finish downloading. Okay, so when you're done downloading, you'll see that it downloaded to wherever you set your download folder to be. So I just have a random folder here. And now you want to bring up your VirtualBox software. So when you bring up VirtualBox, you want to import the image. So you click File, hit Import Appliance. See where it says Local File System. And then you find your location of where you downloaded VirtualBox. So here's my downloads, my new folder, and there's my Kali Linux 2020.3 VirtualBox image. So you click open, and then when you go here, you'll see here are all the settings that you can set your Kali Linux to. I typically like to upgrade it to 4 CPU and 4 gigs of RAM, so 4096 instead of 2048. And any other changes you want to make. So if you want to make changes to the hard drive, where the hard drive is, how much hard drive space you want to give it, you can make all the changes here. When you're done, you click import. And then it's going to give you a box that asks you to agree to the terms. So then you just click agree to continue. So you click agree. And then it'll start doing the import. So now you just kind of give it a moment to finish importing the image over. All right, so once Kali Linux is finished importing, you'll see that it's down here with all the settings that you set for it. So your RAM, any hard drive space, anything you did for it, it'll be set here. So now you just click Kali Linux 2020.3, hit start, give it a second to load up. And here you'll see Kali Linux. You just hit enter, then it'll load up again. All right, so once Kali is up and running, you'll see you'll have the username and password screen. By default, most Kali Linux images, it used to be root and then Tor, which was root backwards, but in 2020 they changed it, so The username is Callie, and the password is also Callie. Once you log in, you'll get to the desktop, and now you successfully have Kali Linux running on your virtual machine. So you have your home folder, your file system, your trash, and then here's all the applications. Okay, so now we have Kali Linux running on our VirtualBox machine. And like I said before, this software allows you to run this operating system away from your main operating system, so you can do whatever you want to do in this environment here on this virtual network. So that's all we got for today. In the next video, we'll go over installing different tools and updates to your Kali Linux and make sure that it's more secure, as well as getting some tools to help get you started. As always, leave any comments you have below the video to let me know what you want to see next, or if you have any questions. Also, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications. This way you can be notified when the next video is live. Thanks for watching, and you guys take care.